Hi, everybody. It's Deborah from workathomeinlineforfree.com. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. Today's video is called Affiliate Marketing Online Training. I am a full-time affiliate marketer, but prior to becoming a full-time affiliate marketer, I did get scammed on affiliate marketing training. In today's video, I'm going to tell you about that, and I'm also going to tell you how I finally did get affiliate marketing online training that is good and that actually worked. So again, thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video. If the video is valuable today, I would really appreciate it if you would give it a like. It really helps YouTubers when you do that. I also would love to have you on board as a subscriber if you're not already. And if you are, thanks so much for subscribing and supporting the channel. We are on my website, workathomeinlineforfree.com. I'm going to use an article in the website called Affiliate Marketing Online Training as a guide for our video today. I'm going to give you a link to this article in the description box. So you're going to be able to click on this article. You're going to be able to have the links for anything that we talk about in today's video, all in the description box below the video. I'm also going to give you a link to subscribe to my email subscriber list. If you're subscribed there, about once a week or so, you'll get an email from me. It'll either be a blog post or an article or a video or a tutorial all about making money online. So I'd love to have you on board there as well. Again, my name is Deborah, and thanks so much for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Affiliate marketing online training. Like I said, I have been a full-time affiliate marketer since 2015. I was scammed the first time I sought affiliate marketing online training by two guys who offered a paid affiliate marketing training course that didn't deliver anywhere near all the information I would need to learn how to actually be successful. But luckily, I eventually found a company called Wealthy Affiliate who offers affiliate marketing online training that actually works. In 2015, I joined their free starter program and got started for free. By that November, I knew I wanted to make affiliate marketing my full-time job. So I upgraded to their premium membership to continue my training, and I never looked back. I've been a full-time affiliate marketer ever since, and I really do love it. How to learn affiliate marketing online. Wealthy Affiliates free starter membership includes 10 free step-by-step classes for beginners. The training is easy to follow and shows you step-by-step how to do everything. These are the first 10 classes included in the free starter membership. Lesson 1, Getting Rolling. Lesson 2, Understanding how to make money online. Lesson 3, Choosing a niche. A niche is a topic, a subject that your website's going to be about. Lesson 4, building your own niche website. Lesson 5, setting up your website. Lesson 6, getting your website ready for search engines. Lesson 7, creating your initial website content. Lesson 8, creating custom menus for your website. Lesson 9, understanding keywords, the start of your business. And lesson 10, congratulations and your next step. In the article here, if you click into it, or in the description box, I'm going to give you this link to go ahead and sign up for this free training. Everything that I just listed in these classes is in fact free. That's all in their free starter membership. Affiliate Bootcamp training. The free starter membership also includes 10 additional free classes in what Wealthy Affiliate calls their Affiliate Bootcamp training. This is a little bit more advanced training, and they give you the first 10 classes for that along with your regular beginner training, all in the free starter program. You also get 24/7 support plus one free website within the free starter membership. You can read my full review of Wealthy Affiliate and everything that's included. I'll give you the link to my review in the description box. The premium membership. If you complete the free starter program and you wish to continue, you can upgrade to the premium membership. You can read my full overview of everything the premium membership includes in the link I give you, or you can watch this video which explains it all. You can go to this article and watch this video, or you can read my full overview. It's a link I'll give you in the description box, and this is really a very thorough video. It's a very thorough review of everything that Wealthy Affiliate has to offer. So if you want to know about everything that's involved with Wealthy Affiliate, watch this video, or click on the link that says my full overview of the premium membership. What I did with this training, as a direct result of the training I received from Wealthy Affiliate, I now have two websites. The one you're on right now, which I use to promote Wealthy Affiliate and teach people how to work from home online, and my second website, which is called peoplelovinganimals.com, which is all about the health, support, care, and training of dogs and cats. I love that website. I'm an affiliate for several pet-related products and services that I recommend on my website, and I donate 10% of all of the commissions I earn to animal charities. That's what I did with the training. I also have two YouTube channels, one for my work at home online for free.com website. That's the YouTube channel you're on right now. And I also have a YouTube channel for my peoplelovinganimals.com website. I'm fairly new at YouTube, but I like it so far. It's fun. I also have hundreds of email subscribers and social media subscribers. Like I said, the training works. I've been doing this full time since I signed up for this training back in 2015. Affiliate marketing online courses. Like I said, I was scammed the first time when I purchased an affiliate marketing online course that was grossly ineffective. There are a lot of people online right now offering affiliate marketing online courses for huge amounts of money. Many promise to make you rich very quickly, and some also say that it's super fast and easy to make money. Watch out for those scams. There are also legitimate companies out there who offer real affiliate marketing training that's good and actually works. I shop for this type of training regularly because I want to stay up to date on my own learning. Plus, I want to know what affiliate marketing courses are available to recommend to my subscribers and my followers. I've tried several of them. I've actually taken their classes, gone through their programs, and like I said, many are good companies with good training. But I have to say, after comparing as many affiliate marketing training courses as I have over the last several years, I go back to Wealthy Affiliate as my number one recommendation over and over again. I've yet to find another company that offers the sheer volume of training that's included in Wealthy Affiliate. The level of support, the free websites, free website hosting, other wealthy affiliate members who form such a helpful community who are available to help me 24/7. The list goes on and on, not to mention the price. Wealthy Affiliate truly gives you the most bang for your buck. You simply cannot find more thorough training, support, and service for less than what Wealthy Affiliate charges. Wealthy Affiliate pricing. The free starter membership includes 20 free classes. They're the first 10 beginner classes that I listed for you, and also the first 10 classes of the affiliate bootcamp training. So it's 20 free classes, 24/7 support, one free website, 50 training modules, two training classrooms. Plus, they do let you earn commissions for referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. That's all included in your free starter membership. The premium membership includes 100 additional classes. That's not a typo. Once you sign up for premium, there's 100 classes, okay? Now don't be overwhelmed by that. It's all training that you need, and it's all step-by-step video training that you do on your own time. Um, it provides unlimited support. It includes weekly live training webinars, um, 1,000 training modules, up to 10 websites, including your own domain. So if you already have a website or if you already have a blog, you can have it hosted here at Wealthy Affiliate, and you can work on your own blog or your own website with this training. Okay, you don't have to start scratch with a new website. You can include your own domain. 13 training classrooms, free access to Jaxie, which is a keyword research tool that normally costs $49 a month. It's included in your premium membership. Plus, you get double commissions for referring people to Wealthy Affiliate. So if you're a free starter member, they'll pay you a commission if you refer other people to Wealthy Affiliate. If you're a premium member, they'll double that commission. The premium membership is 19 bucks for the first month. I'm not kidding. It's 19 bucks for the first month, and then it's $49 a month thereafter. If you want to, you can save money by purchasing a full year's membership for $4.95. You know, most places, if it's training or if it's any kind of a software or anything online, most places will give you a deal if you buy a year membership up front. For Wealthy Affiliate, it's $4.95 for the whole year, and that works out to be about 2 months free. So, like I say, this is you're not going to find this much training and support and website hosting and tech support and everything for 49 bucks a month. You're just not going to find it anywhere. I've been a premium member since 2015, and like I say, they host my websites. The website hosting alone, plus the tech support, plus the ongoing training, plus the use of Jaxie, the keyword tool. I mean, I would pay more money just for that stuff anywhere else. I wouldn't get all that for 49 bucks a month. Do you know what I mean? So not to mention the 150,000 other benefits that are in the Wealthy Affiliate Premium that you'll find out when you watch that video I told you about. So I hope that this has helped. I do affiliate marketing online as my full-time job, which actually only adds up to about 20 or 25 hours a week. I work at home. I'm my own boss. I set my own hours. I love owning my own business, and I'm thrilled I get to work at home. I was in the 9 to 5 rat race for nearly 25 years before I started my own online business, and I'm really happy to be out of that. If you decide to start the free training at Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to see me in there. This is my picture. You're going to see me. You're going to see my profile when you get in, and I'll be the first one to welcome you. And then once you're in there, please reach out to me anytime you need help or if you have questions. I'm happy to help you. Also, don't forget to sign up for my email subscriber list. I'm going to give you a link for additional help. You'll get an email from me every week containing tons of helpful information all about making money online. I'm so excited for you. I hope you end up loving having your own online business as much as I do. So again, thanks so much for tuning in and watching my video today. If you're looking for affiliate marketing online training, in my opinion, like I said, I've tried several and I've priced them out. I've taken a lot of other classes from other companies, and I go back to I was going to call them WA because those of us who are in Wealthy Affiliate, we call it WA. I go back to Wealthy Affiliate as my first recommendation always because, like I say, I have yet to find any other company that offers as much as Wealthy Affiliate does, even in their free starter program. Even what's included in their free starter program is far better and more thorough training than the other programs that I have found online that help people with affiliate marketing training. So again, thanks so much for watching. I would love it if you would become a subscriber to this YouTube channel. Go ahead and subscribe to my email list for more help. And go ahead and give the video a like if it helped you at all. I would appreciate that so much. And again, thanks so much for watching. My name is Deborah, and my website is workathomeonlineforfree.com. Thanks again. Bye-bye.